Most people think that when you die, something is destroyed. They think that the matter, the energy, the stuff you're made of, it just vanishes. Poof, gone. And this is completely wrong. Nothing is destroyed. Nothing. Not one atom, not 1 calorie of energy. When a person dies, the atoms that made up their body return to the earth. They get taken up by grass, by trees, by worms, by bacteria. They enter the soil. They dissolve into water. They float into the air. And those atoms go on to become parts of other living things, other structures, other patterns. The energy is the same way. Every bit of chemical energy stored in your muscles, your fat, your tissues, it gets released. It becomes heat. It becomes the energy of decomposition. It feeds other organisms. From the point of view of physics, death is not destruction. It is reorganization. It's the end of one pattern and the dispersal of the components to make new patterns. That is all it is. Now, some of you might say, well, Feynman, that's all very clever, but the pattern is the part I care about. I don't care that my atoms survive. I care that I survive. And I understand that. I do. I am not going to stand here and tell you that physics removes the sting of death. It doesn't. The loss of a pattern, the loss of a person, that is real. That is as real as anything in the universe. The first idea is that the pattern, the person, is temporary. It emerges, it dances, and it dissolves. That is the nature of every complex structure in the universe, from stars to snowflakes to civilizations. The second idea is that the components are not temporary. The atoms are older than the mountains, older than the earth, older than the Sunday. They were forged in stars that exploded before our solar system was a cloud of dust, and after you're gone, those atoms will go on. They will be part of the soil, the rain, the air, and eventually other living things. Perhaps other beings who will sit and wonder about their own existence.